afternoon, sir.
Today, I want to perform an experiment to investigate the EMF produced from this raw material. What is it? Lemon. Ugandan lemon. And we have already cut up the lemons and squeezed them. We have an iron nail, ordinary iron nail. We also have some copper electrodes. It's made of copper. So we have inserted iron nail and the copper electrode in our electrolytes. What is this electrolyte made of? Lemon juice. Which one is what? This is copper. This is iron or steel. Okay? Here with us we also have a what? Multimeter. Can you switch it on? Okay. Good. When we are using the multimeter, we need to set it in an appropriate range. Where is it set now?
If it consumes
2 volts. Maximum reading will be 2 volts. Because we expect our voltage to be within that range. So I'm going to ask Rachel to place one of the probes on the iron nail. It should be firm, so don't destroy the apparatus, and then the other probe on there. So Jim, come and record. What is the steady reading? 0.613. Using how many oranges? 4 oranges. What was the reading when we used 1 orange?
0.614.
So what is the difference when you use 1 orange and when you use 4 oranges? There's almost no difference. What does that show? We just increased the volume of the electrolyte. We did not change the concentration and we did not change the temperature.
Yes.
No wonder the voltage remained the same. You are going to become scientists.